Hello everybody. So let's continue with lesson 12.3, Identify Polygons. We are on page 513 of the third grade Go Math textbook. Our essential question we should be able to answer by the end of the lesson is how can you use line segments and angles to make polygons? So remember, in earlier lessons, you learned about line segments and angles. In this lesson, we'll see how line segments and angles make polygons. Okay, a polygon. So remember, we're keeping track of the vocabulary words in this chapter. So I would add polygon to my index cards or to my math dictionary. Okay, a polygon is a closed plane shape that is made up of line segments that meet only at their endpoints. Each line segment in a polygon is a side. And so it says all polygons are closed shapes. Not all closed shapes are polygons. And so the first example here, this is a closed two-dimensional shape that is a plane shape. That is true. It is not open. It begins and ends at the same point. It is a closed shape. It has curved paths. It has no line segments. There are no endpoints here. It is not a polygon. Okay, polygon is made up of line segments. Okay, so a circle is a plane shape, a closed shape, and it has curved paths. Okay, B. It is a plane shape. It's a flat two-dimensional shape. It is an open shape. A shape cannot be open and closed at the same time. So it's an open shape. Does it have curved paths? Yes. These parts here are curved. It is not a polygon. Okay, it does not have line segments. Okay, if it's curved, if it has any curved path, it doesn't have a line segment. Line segments are straight. Okay, so C. That is a plane shape, right? Two-dimensional. It's a flat shape. Is it open? Well, if you start here and go all the way around, it's closed. So no, it's not open, it's closed. Does it have any curves? No, those are all straight, right? Okay, so it has line segments and it is a polygon. And D. It is a plane shape. It is not open, so it's a closed shape. It has curved paths. Does it have line segments? Yeah, it does. It has line segments right here and right here. But it is not a polygon. Remember, a polygon cannot have any curved paths, even if it has a few line segments. If it has a curved path in it, it is not a polygon. So now let's try this. Fill in the blanks with sometimes, always, or never. All right, polygons are blank plane shapes. Always. Okay. Plane shapes are two-dimensional. Polygons are two-dimensional shapes. So if a polygon is a two-dimensional shape, it has to be a plane shape. Polygons are blank closed shapes. Well, we identified that up at the top, right? All polygons are closed shapes. So polygons are always closed shapes. Polygons are blank open shapes. Well, it's open, it's not a polygon. Polygon is made up of line segments that meet at their endpoints. So never open. Are all plane shapes polygons? No, we looked at 3 examples of plane shapes that were not polygons. Circle was not a polygon. This open shape is a plane shape, but it's not a polygon. This was a closed shape. It has line segments and curved paths. It is not a polygon. So no, plane shapes are sometimes polygons. Okay, so look at those again. Polygons are always plane shapes. Polygons are always closed. Polygons are never open shapes. And plane shapes are sometimes polygons. If it's made up of only line segments and it is closed, it is a polygon. All right, page 514. So, name polygons. Polygons are named by the number of sides and angles they have. All right, so for instance, some traffic signs are in the shape of polygons. A stop sign is in the shape of which polygon? And so they want you to recognize that, again, where the line segments meet at their endpoints, those are called sides. Okay, and the inside are the angles. Where the two line segments meet, they create angles. So this stop sign has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. So we have 6 polygons that we should know the names of. And so we look for the one that has 8 sides, and we would call this stop sign an octagon. Okay. So anything with 3 sides and 3 angles, exactly 3 sides and 3 angles, is a triangle. Okay. Anything with 4 sides, the general classification of anything with 4 sides and 4 angles is a quadrilateral. So it has 4 sides and 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So where I've outlined the corners, those are the angles. All right, so 4 angles, 4 sides is a quadrilateral. Quad means 4, lateral, sides, 4 sides. Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. It also has 5 angles. Penta means 5, 5 sides. Hexagon. Hexagon, 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Hex means 6. Octagon, we identified as having 8 sides. Okay, and it has 8 angles. And a decagon. The prefix dec, D-E-C, means 10. So 10 sides, 10 angles. Okay, so simple as that. So how many sides does the stop sign have? 8. How many angles? 8. So the stop sign is in the shape of an octagon. Okay, now look closely at these. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles. Quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 angles. Pentagon, 5 sides, 5 angles. Hexagon, 6 sides, 6 angles. Octagon, 8 sides, 8 angles. Decagon, 10 sides, 10 angles. So if this is a polygon made up of line segments, right, the number of sides will always equal the number of angles. Right, number 1. The shape at the right is a polygon. Okay, it's closed and it's made up of line segments. So describe the shape. It is a plane shape. It's two-dimensional. It's a flat shape. Curved paths? No. Open shape? No. Line segments? Yes. It has 4 line segments. Closed shape? Yes. Is it a hexagon, pentagon, or quadrilateral? Well, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, Hex means 6, so 6-sided figure? Nope. Pent means 5. It's not a 5-sided figure. Quad means 4. It is a 4-sided figure. And number 2, page 515. Is the shape a polygon, right? Yes or no? Okay, well, you see how these lines, it's got line segments, right? But there's gaps. So it can't be a polygon because it's open. So no. Okay, number 3, I see line segments only. There's no gaps. It's connected and closed. So it is a polygon. It's a triangle. And number 4, this is the gap right here at the end means it's open. So no, it's not a polygon. Polygons are never open shape. Number 5, write the number of sides and the number of angles. Then name the polygon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Number of sides matches the number of angles. A 3-sided figure, tri is the prefix for 3. Triangle, 3 angles. Okay, how about 6? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6-sided figure with 6 angles. 6-sided figure. So 3 is a triangle, 4 is a quadrilateral, 5 is a pentagon, 6 is a hexagon. Hexagon. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, 5 angles. 3 sides is a triangle. 4 sides is a quadrilateral. 5 sides is a pentagon. Okay, number 8. Is the shape a polygon? Okay, number 8, don't get tricked. It is a plane shape and it is closed, but it has curved paths. Polygons cannot have curved paths. No. 9 is not a polygon because it has an open space. 10. I see that it's closed, it's a plane shape, and it has no curved paths. So yes, it's a polygon. Okay, number 11. Write the number of sides and the number of angles, then name the polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 angles, quadrilateral. Quad, Q-U-A-D, quadri, R-I, lateral, L-A-T-R-A-L, quadrilateral. Okay, number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides means it has 5 angles. Anything with a 5-sided figure is called a pentagon. Okay, how about number 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides, 10 angles. Prefix DEC means 10, like in a decade, meaning 10 years. So decagon, 10 sides. Okay, 14. Jake said shapes A through E are all polygons. Does this statement make sense? Explain your answer. All right. So is A a polygon? It's closed. It's a plane shape. It is made up of only line segments. So A is yes. B. Well, B's closed, but it's curved. There's no endpoints. So no, B is not. C. I only see line segments. It is closed. C is a polygon. D, well, D is made up of line segments, right? They're all straight lines, so straight sides, but it's open. Polygons cannot be open, so D is no. E is closed, and it is made up of only line segments, so E is yes. So does this statement make sense? No. Figures B and D are not polygons. B has curved paths. B has curved paths, and D is an open shape. Number 15. I am a closed shape made of 6 line segments. I have 2 angles less than a right angle and no right angles. What shape am I? Draw an example in the workspace. So I have 2 angles less than a right angle. 2 angles less than a right angle. So this here, get my little tool from our previous lesson. I want to check to make sure I have angle less than a right angle. So I'm lining up my paper with the line segment. The point of my paper is at the vertex of the line segment, and I can't see the other side. So this is less than a 90-degree angle, less than a right angle. And the bottom one looks the same way, but let's put it on here and double check. So I can see the bottom lined up with my paper, but I can't see the other line segment, so this is also less than. How about this one? Ooh, those are pretty close to 90-degree angles though, huh? So let me try something else. So I like the fact that those are 2 right angles, but maybe I need to come out more this way to make that a right angle. I mean, greater than a right angle. Okay. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided figure. 6 sides is a hexagon. 16. Is every closed shape a polygon? Use a drawing to explain your answer. No. Every closed shape is not a polygon. If a closed shape has curved paths, it is not a polygon. Okay, so we can do something like this. Okay, this part here, because it's curved, makes that not a polygon. Okay, 17. Ivan says that the shape at the right is an octagon. Do you agree? Well, octa means 8, so 8 sides. Well, I'm going to put numbers on it to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. So no. don't agree. It is a 9-sided shape. Okay, it's a 9-sided shape, not an 8-sided shape. It would be called a nonagon. And 18. True or false? 18A. Is 18A a polygon? It is closed. It is only made up of line segments. True. Is it an open shape? No. Because if it's a polygon, it can't be open. Hexagon. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-sided figure. So if it's a hexagon, it can't be a pentagon. Okay. Figure only can have one polygon name as far as the category. Okay, so pentagon has 5 sides. So no, that's false. Okay, so that's it for polygons and naming polygons. In our next lesson, we'll talk about describing sides of polygons. So until then, may the numbers always be in your favor.